This is Market Formula. Thank you for joining me again. We'll be looking at the update of the technical analysis of the Nigerian stock market this morning. Today is Friday and is the last trading day for the week. We look at what the index did last week, this week, and we see what the possibilities are in the coming week. Let's start by looking at the all share index. From the chart, I can see that last week was a bears week. That means the sellers won the battle. But this week you can see that the bulls are coming in strongly. So zooming into the chart, let me see what is happening at this key level in the market. I can see that there is a retracement in last week candle telling you that there is a bullish pressure. The buyers try to push it higher, and you can see this week is closing strongly already. So from the look of things, I can say that there is higher probability that the market is going to close bullish today. So if the market closed bullish today, adding this week and last week candle together is going to give us a pin bar. And a pin bar on this support zone, I think we are going for another bullish run. So that's what I feel for the all share index. Haven't done this, let's see some stocks that we can buy in the coming week. I'll just look at brief ones. I'll just quickly check the brief ones. Let me clear my filters. So let me filter by strong buy and buy. Let's see the stocks that we have. We have 69. This is too many of a stock for me to go through. We have only 10 under strong buy. So let's pick them one after the other. We have Japan Gold. Let me see the chart. Okay, Japan Gold, a breakout, a pullback, and a consolidation with a strong bull. Okay, this, let me step down the chart to one daily. Okay, this is actually a very strong resistance. Why do I say so? Every time the momentum indicator crosses to the negative side, I'll see the highest swing for that price, for that instrument, as what? A resistance, and is confirmed. So if you have the stock, you can come back and take your profit at 1 naira 40 kobo zone, just before this 1 naira 48 kobo. You see that there is a consolidation. This is more like an handle than a cup. So by the time it gets to 1 naira 22 kobo, there will be some reaction, but from here to here is also a zone where you can take your profit. And yesterday, which is this candle, is telling me that there is a bullish pressure. There are buyers willing to pick this stock from here. So if you want to enter afresh, you can enter at 90 kobo. If you get it at 90 kobo, just for this small move from here to here. That is for Japan Gold. Let's see another stock that we have there, Carbertin. Okay, Carbertin is forming, yeah, this is also good. But if you want to enter this stock, let me step it down to the daily. Okay, we want to enter the stock. If you can get it at 1 naira 28 kobo, this level here, then for profit target, let's see what the profit target is. I don't know how strong this bull reaction is going to be, but from this look of things, you need to take partial profit on this channel. All right, let me extend my channel and see another level where you can also take your profit. So this is another level of 2 naira 30 kobo. Anywhere around this place is a level where you can take your profit. Something you can take profit here. and also here. So that's for Haverton. Sun Assurance. Okay, Sun Assurance can see a breakout and a pullback for a support on the channel, which is an ascending channel. Let's see what will happen at that level. Okay, let me check the daily. Okay, there's this momentum switch. So since there is a momentum switch, this level will prove to be a strong resistance. So if you have it, you can take partial profit at 1 naira 19 kobo. But if you don't, and you want a fresh entry, 1 naira 80 kobo, no, 80 kobo rather, 80 kobo is a good entry for this stock. That is for Sun Assurance. Bank, oh no, this for Bank, this is a bull's flag. So, and this is broken. Once this is broken, I expect that the pole from here to here will extend. The pole will extend. Let me bring out my Fibonacci 2. Since I know that the pole is going to extend from where it's coming from. That's where it's coming from. Okay, so if there's a breakout of this level of 1.618, then let's see if it's going to push to this level. That's for extension. Let me remove this Fibonacci. Let me take this level. Okay, it's finding support on the, you can see that it came back for a retest of the channel and it's finding support. This is actually a support. If you are looking for fresh entry, if you can get it at 13 naira 50 kobo level, then let's hope and see if it's going to extend. Okay, another tool that I can use for that extension is actually this. Let me use this tool from here to here. Okay, okay. Oh, maybe we will have some consolidation at this level. Maybe there's going to be a consolidation, but if there's no consolidation, just know that if you have the stock, you can still hold it and see if it gets to 25 naira 50 kobo. John Holt. Okay, for John Holt. Okay, let me delete this. All right, you can see that the market is looking for support around, and this strong support, strong resistance. Let's see if there's going to be a retest of 3 naira 13 kobo. Let me draw my channel. Let's see from here to here. I've explained before how I used to draw my channel. So as an extension is finding support on the channel. So let's see if it's going to somewhere there. Okay, let me check if this is going to repeat. Okay, you can take your first profit target if you have it, 2 naira 32 kobo. Then you can now hope that it gets to that level. Okay, but for fresh entry, For fresh entry, you can take it as 1 naira 14 kobo for fresh entry. If you have it, hold it to this level. Mutual benefit. Okay, for mutual benefit, let me first remove all this analysis. For mutual benefit, you can see, all right, I can look at higher high here, higher high here. Let me draw a channel there. Okay, that's see, it's fine. It's looking for a way to support, to get supported at this level. So if it's going to push higher, then let's look at somewhere around here. Let me check if there is a momentum switch on the daily. Yes, so this is a strong support, strong resistance. So if you have it, let's hold it to that zone. Okay. Okay, if there's going to be another spike, then it will hit 63 kobo. If there's going to be another spike, which I'm not too sure that's going to happen, except you know the fundamental that actually caused this spike. There's actually a news in the market that caused the spike. So if the news is still valid and traders are seeing it as opportunity to still enter and buy at higher prices, then it will surely go back to 63 kobo. But you have it, your first profit target should be on this channel, maybe around 55 kobo or thereabout. Beggar paint. For beggar paint, okay. Extension, finding support. Let me check for daily. Okay. There is a switch of momentum. Okay, if you want to take this trade, you cannot buy at this level. If you are buying at this level, that's actually too high. If you can get it around the low of this week, I don't know what happened in the market that caused this move. So if you get it around 10 naira 80 kobo thereabout is good. But buying at this price at 12 naira 75 kobo is not advisable. All right. Okay, this is actually a range and market is looking for a support at this level. Momentum is negative. Momentum is negative. We have it. Your first profit target is 8 naira 25 kobo. If you are looking for a fresh entry, 6 naira 55 kobo. Prestige assurance. This is a ranging market. So if you have it, actually I don't like ranging markets. Anything can happen. If you want to buy in a ranging market, it's always better you buy close to the low of the range. Then it's actually at the midpoint of the range. So I don't know what is going to happen. There might be a bounce or a break and retest. So there are many possibilities that can happen at this level. So let's avoid this. But if you are looking at entering, just enter at maybe it's not trending, so I don't even know where to actually place an entry. If you want to enter maybe like 39 kobo 40 kobo, this is a ranging market. So let's leave this one out. Okay, I think that's all for this video. Until next week when we look at the chart again, I wish you all a successful trading day. Bye for now.